The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Let's review the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today is Friday, April 3rd. Yesterday was Thursday, April 2nd. And tomorrow will be Saturday, April 4th. The month is April, and next month will be May.
Germs again. They're trying to stop us from making people sick. Shh! I want to hear what they're saying about me. What makes you think they're talking about you? They're probably talking about me. I'm much better looking. You may smell better, but I'm the handsome one.
You mean I have to wash my hands every day to get rid of the germs that can make me sick?
Sheesh! You have to wash your hands more than once a day. Germs hide in all kinds of places like cell phones, pets, countertops, doorknobs, and of course in the bathroom too.
If you wash your hands and you do it right, do-do-do-do, well, you won't get as sick in the middle of the night, do-do-do-do. So listen carefully and learn the right way. Get rid of us germs so you can go out and play. Do-do-do-do. Let's do it in the day or night. Do-do-do-do. Wash your hands and get it right. Do-do-do-do. You do. You're a germ.
So, you're telling me pretty much anything we touch can have bacteria and viruses on them. And those germs can get onto your hands, then into your body through your mouth and nose and make you sick. Makes sense. That's why it's so important to wash your hands often throughout the day.
Especially after using the bathroom and before eating. And don't forget after blowing your nose or coughing. Spit and snot aren't the only things that can fly out, and tissues don't catch it all.
I guess you can never get rid of germs, but you can outsmart them by washing your hands. Even you can be smarter than a germ.
It's you we need to worry about. It's not enough just to wash your hands often. You need to do a good job of it too. You have to scrub your hands well if you want to wash away the germs, because they like to hide.
I'm liking these hands. You're right, buddy. There's lots of great places to hide. You hide under the nails. I'll hide between the fingers.
First, turn on the tap and wet your hands. Warm water works best. Use plain liquid soap. Scrub your palms together, then the backs of your hands. Your thumbs, most people forget to wash them, you know. Between your fingers. Then scrub your knuckles to clean your cuticles. That's the part of your skin that's closest to your fingernail. And your fingertips to clean under your nails. You should scrub for at least 15 seconds before rinsing off the soap. Then dry your hands well with a paper towel. Don't forget to use the paper towel to turn off the taps and open the door. Otherwise, you'll just get germs from the handles on your hands again.
I can't see. Help! I can't see.
I guess washing your hands properly isn't all that tough. And I would rather wash my hands than get sick anyway. I hate being sick. Okay, Smarty Pants, what about when there's no sink?
When you don't have soap and water to wash out the germs, you can use hand sanitizer to kill them. You squirt the sanitizer into your hand, then rub your hands together, using the same steps you do to wash them. Your palms, backs of your hands, thumbs,
And now let's do the mood meter. How are you feeling today? Mad, happy, relaxed, or sad? Remember to answer in a complete sentence.